This IXL is, we're going to do IXL P7, which is XJQ. These are your congruent triangles. So let's look at this one. Are these triangles similar? Now, if it didn't give you specific degrees and it just gave you two angles, we do have to sit and figure out if it's the angle-angle theorem. But for in this case, we can look at specific degrees, right? Because a triangle can only be 180 degrees. So if this one's 96 and this one's 96, we're off to a great start. They look like they're the same. However, this one here is 60 degrees and the one that's supposed to be in the same spot is 54. So that means that this one is 4 degrees more. So that means that these must be 4 degrees less because it can only fit 180 degrees. So because these are not perfectly identical when you're given degrees, this is a no. One's pretty similar. So it says, why are these triangles similar? So we do have an angle that's 55 degrees, and over here we have one as well. But here we have one that's 30 degrees and one that is 33. So because this one is 33 degrees, it's actually a little wider. So a lot of the time in this IXL, it's going to be none of the above. They're not similar. They don't have two identical angles. Alrighty, so this last one's pretty similar. Unless we can prove that they are perfectly identical, we don't know if they're similar. So this one does have a matching angle, but one side, the shortest side of the triangle over here is 48, and the shortest side of this triangle is 61. They're not identical, so it would be none of the above.